Welcome to our training video. By the end of this session, you will know exactly how to create an account with IDMC for a seamless and integrated experience. Let's get started. Enter your correct email and click on the Get Started button. Next, you will be asked to input your desired password. Go ahead and click the Create Account button. An email will be sent to your inbox. Verify your account by clicking on the Confirm Email button. You'll receive an OTP code in your inbox. Enter it and click on the Verify OTP button. Now log in with your details. A new window will appear where you can navigate through your IDMC account dashboard. Now you can enjoy a smoother workflow and better integration, making your store management more efficient than ever. If you need any help, please reach out to our support team, who will be happy to assist you.